Okay, let's try this midpoint theorem question. It's a little bit tricky. You have to be really careful. Okay, the first thing, give a reason why AB is parallel to EF. Well, you see these two 90 degrees? They're equal. And by corresponding angles, that makes these two lines parallel. So that's it, corresponding angles. And because the two corresponding angles are equal, that's what makes EF parallel to AB. Okay. Now, if AB equals 10, there's 10 centimeters between A and B, and DC equals 20 centimeters, I write 20 centimeters there, determine with reasons the length of EF. Now, maybe you see here, if it goes to the middle, if this was the middle, and it sure looks like the middle, but we haven't proven it, that's the trick, then by the midpoint theorem, this would be half, 10 centimeters, and half of 10, this would be 5. The whole thing would be 15. We have to be very careful. The first thing we have to prove is that G is the midpoint. Well, we've got that AB is parallel to EF or GF here, so that's done. But we know AB, that means that DC must be parallel to GF because AB was parallel to DC. They're all parallel. Okay, so now we've got that they're parallel. We've got one midpoint, and it's the converse of the midpoint theorem that makes DG equal to GB, makes that point G a midpoint. And now that G is a midpoint, now we can use the midpoint theorem. We can say that GF is 10 centimeters because we've got joined the midpoints of in a triangle, the two midpoints. That makes this parallel and half. So that's 10 centimeters. And now that G is the midpoint, we can use the midpoint theorem again. We know that these are parallel lines because we've proven that, but GE must be half of this side here because that's what the midpoint theorem tells us when we join the midpoints of a triangle. Okay, so if GE is 5 centimeters and GF is 10 centimeters, then 5 plus 10 means that EF must be 15 centimeters. We're all done.